Hello friends, welcome to Ekeeda, another numerical on short transmission line. So the question is, a three-phase 50 Hz 16 km long overhead line supply 1000 kilowatt at 11 kV 0.8 power factor lagging. The line resistance is 0.03 ohm per phase per kilometer. This is given 0.03 per phase per kilometer and line inductance is 0.7 per phase per kilometer. So we need to first find out the sending end voltage. So this vector Vs, this is equals to vector Vr plus I vector Z vector. So Vr vector, this is equals to Vr plus J0. Vr is equals to, so this Vr, this is equals to 11 kV. So 11 kV. So it is for per phase. It is equals to VL by root 3 means receiving end voltage per phase. This is equals to VL by root 3 means 11 kV. 11 into 10 to the power 3 by root 3. So VR vector, this is equals to 11 into 10 to the power 3 by root 3 volt. Now second we have to find out the vector I. Vector I is equals to, so vector I is equals to I into cos phi r minus j sin phi r. So this is equals to, so we need to find out the line current. Line current for three phase power watt is equals to 3 VR IR cos phi r, and I is equals to watt upon 3 VR cos phi r. So this is equals to 1000 kilowatt. So 1000 into 10 to the power 3 watt upon 3 into VR is equals to this. This is equals to actually 6351 volt. 6351 volt. So this is equals to 6351 into 0.8. Cos phi is given 0.8 lagging. So this is equals to 65.6 ampere. Now put the value of I. Then vector I is equals to 65.6 into cos phi r means 0.8 into j 0.6 plus j 0.48. Now vector z, this is equals to r plus jxl. So r is equals to, see, resistance is 0.03 ohm per phase per kilometer. So kilometer is 16, so 0.03 into 16. So this is equal to 0.48 ohm. Now XL, this is equals to, we know, 2 pi FL, because line inductance is given 0.7 per kilometer. So 2 pi FL into 16. L is given 0.7. So 2 into pi into frequency 50 into L inductance is 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 3, because 0.7 millihenry is given. This is millihenry, that's why, into 10 to the power minus 3 into 16. So this is equals to 3.52 ohm. So this vector Z is equals to 0.48 plus j 3.52. Now put the value. So Vs vector is equals to Vr vector. Vr vector is equals to 6351 plus vector I is equals to 52.48 plus j 0.48 minus j sin phi r. So minus j 0.6 minus j 0.48. So this is minus j 0.48 into vector z is 0.48 plus j 3.52. So this is 39.36. So Vs is equals to 6514.73 plus j 165.84. Now we have to find out the magnitude of Vs. This is equals to under root 6514.73 whole square plus 165.84 whole square. So this is Vs is equals to magnitude of Vs is equals to 6515 volt. Now second we have to find out the voltage regulation. Voltage regulation is equals to Vs minus Vr by Vr. So just put the value. Second, percentage regulation Vs minus Vr by Vr into 100. So Vs is equals to 6515 minus Vr is equals to 6351 upon 6351 into 100. So this is equals to 2.58%. And in the last part we have to find out the transmission efficiency. So transmission efficiency is equals to output upon input power. So output power upon input power into 100. So output power for three phases given. Output power for three phases 1000 1000 kilowatt into 10 to the power 3 upon input power is equals to output power plus line losses for three phase power 3 I square r. I is equals to 65.6 whole square into r is equals to 0.48. So this is equals to 99.38%. Thank you.